Hello guys, this is a quick review of this air filter I got from Amazon for my refrigerator. I have a LG. So basically here it comes with the filter. I just need to remove it from this plastic and remove the cover in the refrigerator and put this into place. Okay, so it's pretty easy. Let me show you how it's done. Okay guys, so here for the fresh air filter installation, you just need to open your fridge and come here, and then you rotate this anti-clockwise and it releases, right? And then here you're gonna see the filter. That's the one that needs to be replaced. Okay, so I have a new one. I just need to remove this one and put this one in place. So pretty easy. Let me just do this. Here we go. Remove the first one and put the other one in place. There's the information here. That's the front part, so it's very useful. And I'm ready to go. Then I just come here again, put this in this position and turn clockwise, and it's in place. Okay, so pretty easy to install. Now you need just to reset the front panel. So here's the front panel and there's the information to reset the filter. If it's not here, you just need to open the fridge and close it again, and here we go. Replace the filter. We just did that, so now you need to press here and reset it. So press and hold, wait for a while, and it's reset. Okay, it's just simple like this. Now your filter is reset and you're ready to go. Okay.